Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Garbage City. Now, the article talks about how Delhi is struggling with garbage management, and even though many waste collection points called dalaos were supposed to be removed and replaced with better systems, hundreds are still overflowing and creating health problems. You can see in the picture here. And in short, there's too much garbage, not enough proper processing, poor management, health and environmental risks. First, let's talk about the background, what exactly is happening. So what exactly is dhalao? So this is an open garbage collection point where people dump waste. Municipal trucks later pick it up, but many of these overflows smell badly, attract animals, spread diseases. How much waste does Delhi produce? So Delhi produces 11,000 plus tons of waste every day. Okay, but processing capacity is limited. Landfills like Ghazipur, Balsava, Okhla are already overburdened, so garbage keeps on piling up. Now, what were authorities supposed to do? Under Solid Waste Management Rules 2016, orders of National Green Tribunal (NGT), authorities were supposed to remove open dhalaus, promote door-to-door collection, segregate waste wet and dry, create composting and waste to energy plants, but implementation is very weak. What are the main problems here? Number one, health risk. Now, garbage waste leads to mosquito breeding, air pollution, bad smell, water contamination. This causes dengue, malaria, respiratory diseases. Children and elderly are mostly affected. Second is environmental damage. Now, landfills release methane, a greenhouse gas, plastic waste clog drains is equal to flooding. Toxic leachate pollutes groundwater. This affects climate and ecosystem. Third is the governance issue. Problems include poor coordination between agencies, contractors not doing proper collection, weak monitoring, slow removal of dhalaus. So it's not just about garbage, it's about governance failure. Then there is a social dimension to it. Now, so waste pickers depend on garbage for livelihood. Slum areas suffer more due to poor sanitation. Urban inequality becomes visible. Lastly, the urban planning failure. Now, rapid population growth plus poor planning is equal to cities cannot handle their own waste. There is a legal and policy dimension as well. Solid Waste Management Rules 2016, segregation of source and is mandatory. Bulk waste generation must manage own waste. Last, scientific landfills required. NGT orders. Now, what are the NGT orders? NGT has repeatedly fined authorities, ordered closure of illegal dump sites, but enforcement is weak. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. This becomes highly relevant in GS paper 2 governance, urban local bodies, municipal reforms, etc. Then GS paper 3 environment, GS paper 1 urbanization, GS paper 4 also for ethics. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.